Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on our YouTube channel, demonstrating the china we're currently listing on the Vintage and Antiques website. And this is one of 8 actual pieces in this design. The early Colclough pre-design for what became known as Harlequin Ballet. And it became known as Harlequin because they made the same design in this very pretty shape over a long period of time in a variety of colours, and it was designed to be mixed and matched so that it wouldn't always be presented in a trio as you see here. They were sold as trios in the colour, but the idea was that you could mix and match the different colours together into a Harlequin design, and it proved very, very popular. This is from the early production. Now just let me show you the china marks. Colclough china, made in Longton, England, genuine bone china. It's also got the china internal factory reference pattern number for the decoration, the colour and gilding combination that was used on here. This is pre-Ridgway period, so it's just post-war through to at the latest around 1954. So we're looking early 40s through to mid 1950s when they would have transferred over onto a Colclough Ridgway pottery mark. D-shaped or waisted teacup, as you can see, with this very low waisting, flared rim, beautiful ground pink, pastely, very soft creamy pink, and then the deep gilt line with a little very thin fine line below, and then the waisting nipping down onto this pedestal base. Lovely little detailing on the handle. Thing to draw your attention to on this, you know, we're talking 1940s through to 1954, so possibly 70 years old, maybe a little more. Just look at the condition. Little indents in the rim, gilt as it was when it was produced. These are in almost pristine condition. Same with a little saucer, round, scallop rimmed, gilt with the lineage around the inner aspect of the cup well. Quite a curved wall saucer, as you can see, with matching Colclough printed marks, and there is much clearer the hand ascribed decorators mark 6749 for the design and pattern combination. And then it all sits on a little square side plate with scalloped rims, again irregular scalloping. Nice lineage around here, tiny little bit of wear, as you can see, some marks, just like knife marks across the T-plate. So that has been used a little more than the corresponding teacup and saucer in this set, but still in very fine condition, very nice and very bright. Colclough Harlequin Ballet was made over quite some years, probably 20 to 30 years of production, and some will be on these early Colclough Longton marks. The majority will be on Colclough Ridgway marks. It doesn't matter, the shapes and sizes did slightly change over the years. Most of it was made with the D-shaped teacups and the round saucer and the square side plate, even into the Ridgway period of manufacture. So do have a browse through the website. We'll pop a link in the description below, take you through to the listing. I say we've got 6 to 8 of these and a cake plate, I think, sugar and possibly milk in this china mark in the same colourway. So possibility to put a tea set together. Thanks for watching.